Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss future tense. So future simple tense. Future simple tense is used to express an action that will occur or happen in the future. It is used to describe an action which will happen in near or far future after being said about it by the speaker. So here base first form of the verb, auxiliary verb will be used. He will come here tomorrow. She will buy a laptop at the end of this month. She will take her exam at the end of this year. I will meet him in his office tomorrow. So you can go through all these example sentences related to future simple tense. Now future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used to express an ongoing or continued action which will occur at some time in the future. It expresses the future actions having an ongoing nature that is expected to start in future and continue for a period of time in future. So structure, present participle, base form plus of verb plus ing, writing, running, drinking, auxiliary verb will be used. So example, they will be making preparation for the exam. He will be feeling good tomorrow. She will be singing a song for the audience. So you can go through all the related sentences. Now future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is used to express an action which the speaker assumes will have completed or occurred in the future. It gives a sense of completion of a task that will happen in the future. That is, the patient will have recovered from illness by the next month. This tense is also sometimes used to express completion of an action in future before another activity happens. That is, she will have learned the Chinese before she moves to China. Structure, past participle, third form of the verb plus will have. He will have completed his projects by Saturday. They will have enjoyed party. She will have bought a new laptop. So you can go through all these sentences related to future perfect tense. Now future perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to describe an ongoing action that will complete in future. It is used to express the ongoing nature of an action with regards to its continuation towards a point in future. The action is assumed to continue for a time specific or unspecified in future. A time reference is used in the sentence to show the starting time of the action or for how long the action continues. For time reference of the action, two specific words since and for are used in the sentence. The word since is used in the exact starting time, that is Friday since 10 a.m. of the action is known, intended or to shown in the sentence. The word for is used to express the amount of time, that is for 5 hours, for 9 months, for which the action continued towards a point in future. Structure of sentence, present participle, base of first form of verb plus ing, going, living, working, will have been, auxiliary verb will be used. So they will have been living in Paris for 5 years. The kid will have been sleeping since 10 p.m. The doctor will have been treating patients for 2 years. So you can go through all the sentences related to future perfect continuous tense. So that's all for today. Thanks for your presence. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.